To my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy feeder would not connect to the Wi-Fi step by step. So guys, to fix the Birdfy feeder would not connect to the Wi-Fi, first of all, Birdfy camera only operates on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. So if your router combined 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz under one name or SSD, so it may force the feeder to incompatible 5 GHz band. Second thing is guys, temporarily disable 5 GHz on your router while setting up, or log into your router setting to create dedicate 2.4 GHz and connect the feeders to that. Then move the feeder closer for the setup. Even if other devices like your phone work perfectly out in the yard, Birdfy feeder are higher sensitive to interface and distance. So bring the camera indoor and set it up within 10 to 25 feet of your Wi-Fi router. Once the pairing is successfully, you can move the feeder back to outside. Then guys, hard reset the feeder. If the camera is unresponsive or stuck in a loop, so you need to clear its connection cache. Turn off the camera by pressing and holding the power button for 3 seconds and wait for the few seconds, then turn it back on. Use the include ejector pin to press the reboot button and hold next to the power button. Double press the power button to enter the Wi-Fi configuration mode, and you should see the flashing blue light and hear a chime. Then guys, optimize the QR code. The most common point of the failure is when the camera fails to read the QR code displayed on your phone. So make sure your phone screen is bright. Clean your camera lens. Hold your phone about 5 to 8 inches away from the camera lens and slowly move it back and forth until you hear the beep or chime confirming the code has scanned. Last thing is guys, check router and their permissions. Make sure you enter your Wi-Fi password exactly. Capitalize and the special character. Allow the Birdfy app location and the Bluetooth permission, as it is required them to locate your device during initial pairing. Then restart your home router by unplugging it for 1 to 2 minutes, then plug it back in. So guys, thank you.